Hello guys, happy Papa's Day, Father's Day. Ang tricks natin ngayon, Papa's is 4 moves and the answer is 293, and Day is 4 moves, the answer is 10. Okay guys, here we go. Okay guys, first move natin. Second move guys. Third move guys. And the last move guys. Okay, second tricks tayo guys. Okay guys, first move tayo. Second move natin guys. Third move guys. And the last move guys. Thank you. God bless, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.